to make money with affiliate marketing. Hey guys, welcome to this new video. In today's video, I'm going to show you a method that will help you promote your affiliate links on Pinterest.com. So the two platforms that we will need for this method is a Pinterest.com account and an Amazon Associates.com account. So basically we will need the Amazon.com account, Amazon Associates account, if I was specific, for the links that will allow us to create the affiliate links. So creating your Amazon Associates account will take you will create it in minutes, but it will take from 24 hours to 48 hours to get approved. And after it's approved, you just type amazon.com, and when you click on it, you will see this gray bar right here that will allow you to create your affiliate links. And you just click on text and you can get your affiliate link. And after getting the affiliate link, you go to Pinterest and you search for posts on the same niche of the product or the category, and you take ideas from the viral posts and you create your own post and you publish it on Pinterest. And of course you add your link to that post. But for me, I'm not going to create a new post. I'm just going to copy and paste the post that already exists in the platform, because that will take a lot of time. But for you guys, make sure to create your own posts, because Pinterest will deactivate your account if you just copy and paste other creators' posts. So let's dive into it. And the niche I chose is the event planning and management niche. So we hit enter to get ideas and see all the viral posts on this niche. So here you can see a lot of posts, as you can see, but we need to find a post that is related to a product. So let's go with event planning gadgets, event planning gadgets. Let's go with event planning gifts. So let's go with the gifts and let's see what are the viral posts in this niche. So here we have a lot of posts, but we can't get something useful. So I'm just going to choose one of these posts and make an example with it. So let's choose this one, and I'm going to download this picture, download image. And to create your own post, you click on create and you click on create idea pin. So I'm going to open it in another tab, and to go into that tab, then you drag and drop this image of yours to this place, and as you see, it will be set. So this is our post. We need to give it a title, a description, a link, and tags. So let's take the link from the post that already exists on Pinterest. This is the link. As I said before, make sure to be creative and create your own posts. Then I will take this description, copy, and leave it right in here. And then I will proceed to link. So I'm just going to amazon.com and search for a product that is related to the same niche. So let's type events gifts for events, and let's go by best sellers right in here. So let's go by best sellers. So here we have a lot of gifts, as you can see, a lot of products. So you choose a one that has a good price on it, that will leave us a good margin. So let's go with these candles. Candle Fury Man Cave stuff, man candle set of 3 crackling candles. So let's go with these candles. It has a good price, it will leave a good commission for us. So I think it's a very good product. So after leaving the link, we'll proceed to the next important step, which is tags. So tags is a very important step because it's the factor that will help the post to go viral and will help the post to be shown to the right audience. So we don't want our post to be shown to the people that are interested in motivational quotes or the people that are interested in food or beverage. We want our post to be shown to our category that are interested in our niche. The people that are looking for gifts for events. So we go and type gift as a keyword and we choose all the tags that are related to the keyword. Gift cards, anything related to gift, just select it. And it's not limited, guys. You can choose as much as you can. It's all up to you. If you can be patient for 2 or 3 minutes and choose as much tags as you can find, and your post will be viral and you will make money from the gift basket. So choose anything related to gifts. And after you're done with choosing your tags, you check your title if it's good, description, your link, your gifts, and double check if you forgot anything. Check the image, then you hit publish. So that's it, guys, for today's video. I hope you find it useful. Don't forget to like the video, subscribe to our channel, and share the video with your friends. And if you have any question, feel free to drop it in the comment section down below.